So, my friend, this is Amit. As you also know, ComEdK document upload and registration process has been started. That is from 30th May to 30 p.m. That is from today up to 2 p.m. 8 June. Only you are getting 8 to 9 days, and you have to provide the registration details as well as document upload. And once document will be approved, then only you will able to do the counseling process. So step by step all counseling process I am going to discuss here, so please try to watch the video will be a little bit long, but it will give you complete clarity of the counseling process. And after that, if you have any doubt regarding the choice filling, because choice filling is a personal thing that can't be teaches like electrostat or current electricity, like it's the same for everyone, but counseling is a personal thing. Rank is different, interest is different, final goal is different after 4 years, and family background is also different. Also for direct admission I can help you, so you can contact me on the screen. Number is available, that is for direct admission as well as counseling guidance. Both I can do, not only for ComEdK but for all other counseling and college across India as well, as I am doing it from last 7 years. This is I am informing you at the start, because many people will take number and call randomly. This is paid guidance only. 499 minimum charge you have to pay first, then you can ask all your question, and if you satisfied you can pay remaining 2000 to get the complete guidance. Hope you get my point. Now here, once you click comedk.org, you will able to get this website. That is original website of, that is official website. So thereafter you have the option to go for the counseling login, and you can do. So here is the login option. So what you do, what you will do in the counseling process, here is the detail of ComEdK counseling quick analysis. I will do here quick process how to do the counseling. So here is everything, detail information for engineering and architecture as well. Who is eligible? Eligible students are a student with past class 12 with 45% aggregate marks minimum score. I am doing from last 7 years, so I know all those things. You can read it also from their website. And 2000 already informed you earlier in my video, that is they will take 2000. So same, they have provided non-refundable fee. If your document will be not verified, it means not approved, then 2000 will be gone. You will not able to do the counseling. Once it is approved and you will able to do the counseling, then you will able to proceed with the counseling process. And candidate who are ready to pay the tuition fee and college allotted, means college admission fee you are ready to pay, and candidate have all the mandatory document. So board eligibility, 12th pass you should have from a recognized board. And here is the information: register online by paying 2000, then upload document. Thereafter, if document are verified successfully, you are eligible to participate in mock round and round 1. Thereafter mock round 1, thereafter mock round choice filling will be done, mock allotment will be done. After that also you can change the choice if required. I will do everything. And round 1, after that round 1 result, make decision on round 1 result to participate in round 2 or 2, 3, 4, depends on decision made. Decision made means freeze, float, slide, accept, upgrade, accept, reject, or slide means want same college and same with different branch. Different option will be there. So how to register? Here is the option, click on login button, and thereafter go to counseling registration, pay 2000 rupees, upload all the documents. So here is the document, means here is the document verification status. Document submitted means you have submitted all the document, they will verify it. Resubmit means there is some problem in your document, they have requested to resubmit. And document resubmitted means again you have submitted the document. Document approved means all the document are verified and you are eligible for further counseling process. So be very careful after uploading the document. Also try to check it again and again until it is approved. Document rejected means your document has been rejected, you will not able to participate in the counseling process. Under review means they are being reviewed, that is documents are being reviewed by the ComEdK. Check after 1-2 days to get the complete status. Supplementary approved means after supplementary compartment candidate upload their past mark card, the document will be verified, and if approved the candidate login will show supplementary approved, means supplementary seat only will be allowed for you. So these are the things that you need to keep in your mind. Documents required, here is the document list. Candidate original ID proof, that can be your PAN, voter, driving license, or any other government proof, that is Aadhaar card. Date of birth proof, that is 10th mark sheet and 12th mark sheet, as well as admit card of ComEdK exam and admit card of the 12th exam also. Admit card of ComEdK exam, that is 5 number. SC, ST, OBC certificate if you are from that category, and Karnataka domicile certificate if you are from Karnataka, and OCI, PCI for the NRI student, and that's it. These are the document that you need to have. Document for KKR seat a student, it is a reservation student. Here is the list. You can check those lists. Almost all are similar. Just you need to have the provide a resident certificate. So round one, if eligible, only if has a student commit के rank has paid counseling fee, verification status document approved, supplementary candidate are not eligible for round one. Choice filling will be done in round one. Fill all the college. That's what is very important. I will guide you in that. And check saved preference, and thereafter check mock allotment. After mock allotment, you can change the choice also. Thereafter round one allotment will be done. Then take the decision, accept and freeze. That is called you are happy with the seat, you don't want to go for further rounds. Accept and upgrade means you want the seat but you are looking for better one. So choice filling is very important for that. Reject and upgrade means you don't want the seat but you want to participate in next round. Reject and withdraw means you don't want the seat, neither you want to proceed in the counseling process. So this will be done after round one. And once you do, round two is for only KKR seats only, and round 3 means general merit eligible if you have taken the accept and upgrade option and or reject and upgrade option in the first round, or you haven't got any seat in the first round, then you will be eligible for round 3. Similar, you will do decision making in round 3, and thereafter you will go for round 4. Round 4 will be done. Thereafter exclusive round can be done, but that is subjected on the basis of seat vacancy. Total fee information is in the details of fee 3,02,000 or 2,15,000, whichever was opted by respective institute. So whatever is available. So 3 lakh per year means 12 lakh, 1.5 lakh per year hostel, 18 lakh, 2 lakh mess and other fee will be 20 plus lakh. In that amount, I can provide you top 10 college with hostel, everything I will be providing you, and top 10 college, even if your rank is 70,000, 50,000, 40,000, 30,000, 60,000, whatever rank doesn't matter here. So if you want direct admission, you can contact me for that also. So accept and freeze means you are satisfied with the seat, already informed you, and you will not eligible for next round. Accept upgrade, yes, you will be going for next round. Reject and upgrade, you will be going for next round. Reject and withdraw, you will not go for the next round. And in both the cases, if you want to go further in counseling, total fee of the college you have to pay, then only you will proceed. And before fourth round, that is last round, you have to take the action of surrender if you want to get the refund. Once you do fourth round counseling, you will not able to take the refund. So here is all the option available in round 1, round 2, round 3, and reject and withdraw not applicable in the last round, because decision available in round 4 not available. Here you can check. If you do reject and withdraw, this is not applicable in round 4. So this is very critical counseling seat cancellation facility. There is no facility to cancel the seat during or after the seat allotment process in round 4, and the candidate has to join the allotted college. Please check the refund policy. If you will not join, you will forfeit the complete amount whatever you have paid earlier. When can cancel the seat? After round 1, after round 2, and before the round 4, that is last round. You can opt out from the counseling process to get the refund of your payment. So refundable 2,000 and convenience fee will be deducted and rest will be returned. And there is no refund, and entire total fee will be forfeited, as I told you earlier. So these are the things that you need to keep in your mind. Whenever you want, you can contact me. There is a nominal charge, as I am repeating it again and again, because many students will lose the chance of joining the best college. In order to save 2,000, 3,000 of my guidance fee, don't lose the chance to join the best college, because you are going to pay at least 15, 20 lakh in the community colleges. If you don't like me, you can register with any other counselor also, but this would be experience. Then only you will get the best. Otherwise, new counselor will not able to guide you properly. Hope you get my point. Kindly subscribe. Thank you.